Hi, I'm Phil from Festool, working with ITS TV. Today I'm going to show you the QUADRIVE from Festool. This takes Festool into a different league. This takes us into construction because the QUADRIVE is meant for real big applications and for putting in screws which are of a large diameter. So you may think that this is a fairly big sort of screw, but this one is nothing for this machine, and we'll go for something like this. So I'll take you through the features and benefits of the QUADRIVE. Now we work off a 4.2 amp hour battery. This gives you 40% longer runtime than the former 3 amp hour, and this is now available on our 15 and 18 volt machines and will come as standard part of the package. On the base of the QUADRIVE, if we take out the 2 clips on the left and also on the right hand side, you now have the belt clips. Left and right, doesn't matter how you're working. Underneath there, if we push this once, we have the 4 LED lights. This will illuminate exactly where you're drilling. So on the construction site, if it's a dark environment, it means you can always see where you're drilling a hole. If you press the switch again, you can then use that for the battery indicator as well. Of course, variable speed trigger, and for for clockwise or for anti-clockwise direction of the drill bit. However, where the QUADRIVE becomes really interesting is on top here. We have 12 individual torque settings, but above that you then have the 4-speed gearbox. So in gear 1, if I pull the trigger, you have 400 RPM. If we take it into gear position 2, so now in second, we have 800 RPM. If I take it into 3, you then add 1000. We go 1850, and then in gear 4, we have 3800 RPM for real high-speed drilling. However, there's one trick up its sleeve that the QUADRIVE has got. If we switch this over to the hammer, we get percussion action. And in gear 4, you have 79,000 BPM. So you can work rapidly and really quickly on the work site, making sure that you're constantly making progress. Of course, QUADRIVE is Centratec compatible, and that just clips on, and again, all geared towards you working quickly and efficiently. On the side, because we're working on a construction site, there's 2 bump strips, so if it's rugged and it's tough, and will always be looked after. Inside, it's an all-metal gearbox, as you would expect from Festool. And now we can move on to some of the accessories that come with the sustainer and the QUADRIVE. If we open this up, we can take out the 90-degree attachment. So you can work in really tight spaces in between joists, in between floorboards, making sure that you can access any application that you need to. It also comes with a 3-jaw chuck. This is slightly different from our standard chucks within the Festool range because it's 43mm. But it means that when the Centratec chuck comes off and we put this on, you can then retrofit the side handle. And the side handle, when you're drilling in gear, when you're using gear 1, is 60 Nm. You're going to need something else to hold on to while you're using this machine. Within the sustainer, you will also have the all-important second battery. And don't forget, 4.2 amp hour, the runtime with the 2 batteries is very, very long. And of course, with our newly designed charger, with the cable wraps around the side, around the base of the charger, it means that it's always nice and compact. So, that's the Festool QUADRIVE 18 volt combi drill available from ITS.